Mhm. Now I will answer the question for topic number two, core business designs. The question is discuss a business strategy and how company use them to become successful. So I think the strategy is like how the company make the goal and become famous or become making a lot of economic benefits. And the second is how low company use them to become successful. Some business strategy like like marketing or maybe something you call to the boss like sometimes it's actually in, in the field I watching Shark Tank program in a TV and I see the company just ready like one day they call they call for the person in the company and the boss will buy the person and have the company become better and the company has sell like $1 million for 5% and that's why the small company become successful. They collab with the boss and they become better. I think that's like the strategy. If they don't call, if they don't have the deal, they still have the marketing in the TV. I see it. And now I know it. Thank you for listening about the business strategy and how the local company becomes successful. Thank you for listening.